Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. I'm going to try and shroud my phone best I can. It's very windy. I think it's only a few hours before a massive storm sets in down here in North Yorkshire. Today we've got a 2005 Jaguar X-Type, finished in topaz metallic, which looks absolutely fresh and really beautiful. It's a 2.5 litre all-wheel drive car, so it's definitely going to be okay for the autumn and winter slippery conditions which are ahead of us as we speak. It's got 4 matching brand new Pirelli tyres all the way around. It's had all the wheels refurbished, new centre caps, new valve caps, new chrome mirror covers, spring-loaded leaping cat on the bonnet fitted. It's had the chrome grille at the front, the surround fitted. It's had all the chrome door handles, and this car is absolutely split mint. There won't be a minter one. I can't imagine that. These cars don't really get looked after very well because they got down to such a price. But this car has been looked after regardless of cost. It's a Minster Jaguar Doncaster car, so it's a Yorkshire car. It's always stayed in Yorkshire. I think it's near enough got full service history from Jaguar, if not a few specialists as well, but it has got up-to-date service history and a big file that goes with it. It's got 2 keys, 2 remote keys, full service history file. It's also got all the handbooks, locking wheel nut key, as you can see down there, clean on the whistle on the exhaust. It's got rear parking sensors. It's the nicest one of these I think we've ever seen. We've had all the sill covers off. The sills are like brand spanking new. This car, I've been assured, has been garaged all its life, and it's only done 38,000 miles. If we look on the trip, yet 38,164 miles. 2 remote keys. Proper car. This isn't to be confused with the rubbish that's out there, because I've never seen one. We're Jaguar specialists. I've never seen one as clean as this. Full ivory leather. It's got the bird's eye maple veneers. It's obviously an automatic, which is nice because they do drive nice as an automatic, these 2.5 litre V6s. The manuals are a bit hard work. It's got a heated front screen. It's got air conditioning, climate control, which works correctly. Multifunction leather steering wheel. It's got cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors, remote central locking. Everything that you need. It's got CD player. It's also got a CD stacker in the boot. It's got automatic headlights, auto wipers. It's got electric mirrors and windows, as you can see. I'm really struggling today. This wind's blowing me about like you wouldn't believe. It's also got electric driver's seat. Passenger seat has got electric lumbar. But look at the look at the leather. God, I'm being blown about. Look at the leather in there. It's just never been sat on, has it? It can't have. All inside the door jambs are beautiful. All the door cards are absolutely fastidiously looked after. Inside the boot, none of the bumpers have got any scuffs on them. All inside the boot. Apertures mint. I'll let you have a look under here. Boot carpet's lovely, it's not stained. Look at that, proper Pirelli. Looks like originally still got the bobbles on it. Spare wheel. All the boot floors perfect, no water or rust staining. Yeah, lovely car that. Really nice car. What a load of car for the money. They drive mint, these little cars, and of course they're not expensive to maintain because you can get all the bits second hand, because there's lots of them being broken that aren't any good. You can get non-genuine pattern stuff all day long. You can get genuine stuff for them, so you know the choice is yours of how you sort of maintain these cars. But this one wants looking after, doesn't it? Because it's a lovely car. Like I say, I've had all the steel covers off and it's absolutely spotless. We did spray cavity wax behind there just as a prevention, and we've sprayed ditronol all underneath the car. The front and rear subframes are absolutely mint. Nothing to worry about there. This is not a car with corrosion. I repeat, this is not a car that's got corrosion, so in actual fact it's a very, very rare car, because they've all got corrosion, haven't they, these? Nothing on the floors, nothing. Show you underneath the bonnet, and you can hear it, it's running. It runs absolutely perfect. Listen to that. Doesn't miss a beat. It's had a recent full service, including plugs. So it's had 6 plugs, air filter, oil and filter. You can see screen wash is clean. Antifreeze is at the correct concentrate. It's even had a Jaguar battery fitted to it, because this car has actually always been generally serviced at Jaguar. If you look at the belt down there, you can see the green going round on it. That's because it's had a new auxiliary belt on. This car has been looked after regardless of cost. Owned by a couple of elderly gentlemen. So they've really, really looked after it. Treated it exactly like it should have been treated. Headlight wash on the front fog lights. Projector headlights. You can see it's mint. The wheels look really good now they've been refurbished. They weren't damaged particularly, they've just gone really, really dull. And like all the wheels in our cars, we get them all done regardless, because they tend not to get damaged when they've got good tyres on like that. You know, like a deep profile. It's generally that they get, I don't know, scratched from washing, or they go dull because of the age of the car, really. So we always get them freshened up. So yeah, we'll just go around once more so you can see it. This car is for sale. It's going to go in our showroom now, where it'll stay until somebody purchases it. It will be sold with 12 months MOT. Doesn't need tyres, doesn't need brakes. I think it's had rear pads just recently at Jaguar as well. There's nothing to do at this car, absolutely nothing. Put a bit of fuel in and go. But what a smart, posh looking car this is. We put new wiper blades on it, the new style ones, which wipe better and they look better as well. Yeah, just a lovely, lovely, fresh looking car, and doesn't it look an eyeful in topaz? Looks really something, I think, in that. But what a lovely car. Anyway, usual number to call, 07759 938 395, or you can email us at sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. But yeah, if you're interested, serious people only, please. The car is 6,995. But what a car. Prepared it exactly the same as we do with cars that are 20, 30, 40,000 quid. It's just the same. It's going to go in the showroom and sit between cars of a lot greater value, and it won't look out of place, because the car is absolutely mint. No rust on the bottoms of the doors, none on the arches. We've not done any paint work at this. We've machine polished it, given it a 5-stage machine polish and a ceramic coating, but other than that, we've just generally just cleaned it up. Obviously we cleaned all the interior and fed it with hide feed, so that's nice and clean and all supple and ready for the next owner. But yeah, what a lovely car, and of course very, very useful as well with the all-wheel drive, especially with winter, autumn and winter coming up now. But look at that in there. And then obviously when it comes back around to spring and summer, you've got ice cold air conditioning. So yeah, there you go folks. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. But yeah, this is a bit of a one-off car, guys. It's not often you find these. I mean, we don't go out looking for these X-types because none of them are any good, but this car was offered to us, and well, I jumped at the chance to buy it, because you just very, very rarely see them like this. Well, you just don't. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Another video will be along hopefully really soon. Bye for now.